Hello, I am Purvi from English language classes, and the session today is about abstract nouns in English. We all know nouns. So, noun is a name of any place, person, or thing. But there are nouns that refers to your feelings, your qualities, your experiences, ideas. And these nouns are your abstract nouns. They do not have any physical form. You cannot touch it, you cannot even see it. So these nouns are abstract nouns. In Hindi, it is, I think, Bahuvachak noun. Let us see some examples. When I say feelings, it is feeling of love, hatred, anger, your strength, your bravery, your honesty. If you think about these nouns, you would surely understand that these are the things that you cannot see or touch. These are just feelings. Study these examples carefully. These are the words that you use in your conversation. You must have noticed that most of the abstract nouns are uncountable nouns. You cannot count them. For example, love, happiness, luck, youth. So they do not have a plural form. And remember, we do not use any article before these words. But some of the abstract nouns can have plural forms, and so they are countable nouns. See these examples. Victory becomes victories. Shout becomes shouts. Failure becomes failures. And your decision becomes decisions. Now, let us see how these abstract nouns are used in sentences. He has the ability to motivate people. He needs to control his anger. Our belief decides our destiny. Charity begins at home. He lacks confidence. Try to study more examples, more sentences that will help you to make better sentences using abstract nouns. Now, see, you can make these abstract nouns by adding suffix. Now, what do you mean by suffix? Now, suffix is a letter or group of letters that you add at the end of the word. It is very interesting. Let's see these examples. So, let us first add ship. S-H-I-P, ship. So, when you add ship, friend become friendship, hardship, leadership. Similarly, you can add ity at the end of the word and you change that adjective into abstract nouns. So, real becomes reality, equality, purity, ability, morality. Now, I want you to form abstract nouns by adding the suffix ness to the below words. I am sure you would be able to do it. Thanks for watching.